In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a YouTube video to your laptop safely and easily. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Always respect copyright and YouTube's terms of service. Only download videos you own, have permission to use, or that are clearly licensed for download. If you're unsure, consider using the platform's official offline features where available. Start by opening the YouTube video you want to save. Make sure you've found the exact clip you need and that it plays correctly from start to finish. Check the title and channel to confirm you're on the right page, and let the first few seconds play to ensure the video loads properly. Next, copy the video link. Click the Share button underneath the video and select the option to copy the link. This typically gives you a clean, short URL that works well with download tools. If you're on a browser, you can also copy the address from the URL bar, but the share link is often more reliable. Now, head to a trusted online downloader. Choose a reputable site with a good track record, a clear privacy policy, and a secure connection. Avoid any page that asks you to install extra software or browser extensions just to get the file. If you see pop-ups or fake download buttons, close them and make sure you're still on the original page. Paste the link into the downloader's input field. Give it a moment to fetch the video details. If it doesn't load right away, refresh the page or paste the URL again. Double-check that the video preview or title matches what you selected on YouTube. Choose your format next. MP4 is the most widely compatible video format and is usually the safest choice for smooth playback on laptops. If you're given the option to select resolution, pick the one that balances quality and file size for your needs. Higher resolutions look better, but take longer to download and use more storage. Finally, click Download or Start and wait for the file to process. Keep the page open while it prepares your video, and be cautious of any additional prompts that try to redirect you. Once it's finished, the file will save to your default downloads folder unless you choose a different location. Open the video to verify it plays correctly, and consider renaming it so it's easy to find later. As a best practice, scan downloaded files with your antivirus and delete anything that seems suspicious. That's it. Use trusted sites, keep your device protected, and always respect the creator's rights. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading!